Hey, Hern Eagles.
Hello.
How are you doing, Hern Eagles?
We miss you. Today, you get your house assembly online.
Let's remember that champ's behavior. C, your conversation level is at a 0. H, if you need help, raise your hand and ask someone for help. A, activity level is that you're listening. M, movement is that you're sitting still. P, participation, you may clap when appropriate. And S, once you do all of these things, you show that you are a successful audience member. Remember, we're 5 houses, but we're all one campus. And now for our pledge. I come to school to learn and lead. Hearn Elementary is where you soar. Safe, on task, act responsibly, respect self and others. It's a great day to soar.
Okay, friends, now it's time for our house chants. All right, Shazar, stand up and represent. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yellow, yellow, like the sun. We're so bright, we're number one. Yellow, yellow, we ain't metal. Make your team look like jello. Yellow, yellow, like the sun. We're so lit, come get you some. All right, Shazar, let's see how many house points we're going to earn for this week. Give it a spin. All right, we want 100 points. Come on, Will. Keep spinning. All right, we earned 50 points. That's half of 100. Great job, Shazar. All right, Fuma, you're up next. If you're in the Fuma house, the black house, stand up and represent. Let's start our chant. 5, 6, 7, 8. We are Fuma and we are strong. Let's all scream and shout our song. Fuma is fast and Fuma is great. We'll leave the others in the past. Actually, Fuma is great and Fuma is fast. We'll leave the others in the past. We're so good, we will not rest. We'll put the others to the test. All right, Fuma, let's see how many house points you're going to earn for this week. Give it a spin. Come on. Big 100, big 100. Come on. Almost to 75. But you got half of 100, which is 50 points. You're tied with Shazar for the week. Great job, Fuma. All right, our next house is the Zidania house, the greenhouse. If you're in the greenhouse, I want you to stand up and represent. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Listen, we are the green team singing in the halls. We're going to win this thing with spirit in place and a smile on our face. You can hear us cheering all over the place, singing, we will rock you, rock you. We will rock you, rock you. All right, Zidania, let's see how many house points you're going to earn for this week. Come on. We want 100. We're looking for 100 points. Oh, we were close. 25 points away from 100. You earned 75 points. Great job, Zidania. All right, so our next house is the red house. That is the Zuzong house. So if you're in the Zuzong house, I want you to stand up and represent. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Are you ready? Ready. Yeah, we collaborate. Yeah, we dominate. We don't get why y'all underestimate. Zuzong house is hot as fire. Got more hype than y'all can desire. Apples, strawberries, cherries, tomatoes, ketchup, fire truck, red mashed potatoes. All those things we said are red. We're the best thing since sliced bread. Zuzong, Zuzong, Zuzong. Okay, Zuzong, let's see how many house points you're going to earn for this week to go to your monthly total. Come on, we're still waiting for 100. We're still waiting for that 100. Stop. All right. 100 points. Good job, Zuzong. We're going to add that to your monthly total. All right, our last house is the orange house, Mozzawila. If you're in the Mozzawila's house, I want you to stand up and represent. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Extra, extra. Read all about it. Masawila's gonna win, and there's no doubt about it. We're rough, we're tough, we're hard to beat. So come on, Orange, let's move our feet. All right, let's see how many points Matsawila is going to get for the week to add to their monthly total. Give it a spin. Come on, can we get another 100? Can we get another 100? It looks like we got 100. Awesome job. 100 points. You can add that to your monthly total, Matsawila. Great job.
All right, now it's time for our student shout outs. Let's see who's getting shouted out this week. From Miss Patterson's class, Ayana Alford and Aiden Williams. And for our parents, a shout out to Miss Juanita Arevalo and Mrs. Rosita Guerrero.
From Miss Chop's class, we have Ivan, Gracie, David, and Naraya. Great job.
And from Mrs. Wright's class, we have DeJavian, Gracelyn, Jacqueline, and Jamori. Great job, friends.
From Mrs. Gonzalez's class, shout out to Mariah, Kimarian, Torrance, and Princeton.
From Miss Penrod's class, a shout out to Kimoria, Amoria, and Curtisia. Great work, guys.
All right, from Mrs. Best's class, we have Emily, Haley, Juan, and Vincent. Keep up the good work, friends.
And from Mr. Trojax, a shout out to Deveron. Way to go, Deveron.
And from Miss Fleming's, we've got Terry, Jaden, Tori, Dustin, Gabriel, Javion, Andre, and Raekwon, and Alonzo. And all of their parents or grandparents have also been a great help and support. Way to go.
All right, from Miss Rizzo, Talia Shepherd has been working very hard. Great job, Talia. And to Talia's grandma. We forgot about Talia's grandma. Great job to you as well.
And from Mrs. Perez's second grade class, Julian Duran, Kaden Oles, Giovanni, Ruben, Cortland, and Marcus. Way to go, guys.
From Miss Harper's class, we have Janessa, Haley, and Hazel, along with their parents who've been a great support.
From Miss Scotty, we have Raymond, Talia in 5th grade, and in 6th grade, we have Luis and Antonio. Great job, guys. Keep up the good work.
And from Mrs. C's class, Alasia Weber, Kamaya Strouder, Aylin, and Angel. Way to go.
Okay, guys, it's game time. Are you ready, Miss Hinchin and Miss Stewart? These are would you rather questions, okay?
I'm ready.
Right. You ready? Okay, so you're going to have to pick one and tell us why, okay? You would choose that one. All right, let's start.
Kids. Would you rather be hot all the time or be cold all the time?
I would rather be cold all the time because if I was cold, I could always get a blanket or a sweater or a jacket.
I agree. I would rather be cold all the time. I cannot stand the heat.
Y'all, you guys are alike. All right, next would you rather question.
Would you rather eat only hot dogs for a whole month or eat only pizza for a whole month?
That's a good one.
I definitely have to say that I would love to eat pizza for a whole month. I like to eat cold pizza for breakfast now.
I would have to probably say hot dogs because I'm not into the bread and carbs. So I could take the hot dog out the bun and eat hot dogs for a whole month. Well, I could take the cheese and toppings off the pizza too, but hot dogs.
I love it.
Great answers, guys. All right, next question.
Would you rather be sick for a week or get a shot from the doctor?
I'd rather get a shot from the doctor. I do not like being sick.
Definitely shot from the doctor. Get it over with.
Yes, I would agree. I get a shot and, like you said, get it over with. So I won't have to be sick for a whole week. And maybe the shot will help me from being, prevent me from being sick. So that's some good answers, guys. All right, next one. 2 more.
Would you rather spend a day at the beach
Ooh.
or spend a day at the zoo?
Oh, sorry. I was so excited. I was like, beach, 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 beach.
Yes. Beach for me. Definitely beach.
You guys must love water.
Yes.
All right, last one, friends.
Would you rather be a superhero or be a magic wizard?
Wow. That's a good one.
I would like to be a superhero because I would like to be able to save people.
And I'd rather be a magic wizard so I can make people disappear.
Oh, that's a good one. All right, guys. So both of you guys are winners, okay? Because you shared your thoughts. Thanks for playing our game. Yes, it was fun.
So guys, we want to remind you that if you have talent, we have our Hearn Talent Show, but you have to send your talent show video to Miss Arlette by next Wednesday. And we also have an art show. So if you want to create a piece of art and submit it to Miss Arlette, we are very excited about our art show. Cannot wait to see all the talent and the art our Hearn Eagles create.
Okay, guys, we want to let you know that we miss you. Mwah, 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 mwah.
We miss you a lot.
We miss you, and remember to stay safe.
And next week, tune in for our next virtual assembly. See you later.
Bye, guys.
Bye.